Okay, so I am back at the library from years again. Oh, there's a new unit. Alright, I'll get to that later. Here's this one. Copeland School. It's been running. (2023). 4-ton. It's Bryant. Yeah. A brand new unit. Here's this train, XL13. It's got a climate tough. No, not. It has a Copeland reciprocating. That's a new unit. Wow. Here's this day and night. Does not have a logo. Copeland. Nothing running. I don't know what brand that is. Yeah, that is brand new. These 2021. I don't know what brand that is. 3-ton, I think, or 5-ton. Where did you? Oh, I've got the date for this one. 2007. 3-ton. Here's this XR13. Now there's 2 more XR13s remaining. Clemtough. Nothing running. (2007) 3-ton. Okay, and here's a new unit. This one replaced another XR13. And they bit the dust. And now we got a new Ohio. Arcware. Nice. So that final train bit the dust. We got a new Arcware heat pump. Brand new. Gold compressor. Look at that. Brand new. Yep, still smells brand new. Right. Yeah, the old unit was here, it never ran, so I got it running once in my life, which was this last time I was here. So, there's nothing running. Oh, it's only from 2024. And it's a 4-ton. Yeah. Wow. Awesome new Arcware heat pump. So, this one and that one are the only 2 that remain. I'm glad that one's still there, because that one's my favorite, because it has Copeland reciprocating compressor. So, I'll have to come here at night to try to get these starting up, because this place is open on normal days. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.